happened successfully. It's just that I'm trying to get over the feeling again the second time around. Pero na-realize ko, ang dami kong ebas nung vlog na yon. Pero ginawa ko na lang siyang summary of my day. And now, I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna try my best na may konting audio naman this time. Para maiba. Yehey! Wala masyadong harang yung parking ngayon. Okay. Happy birthday! Tigulang!
Tigulang
Char. Aray, nag-road ako. Park ko muna. Yan. Park muna tayo ulit. Naunahan ako sa parking! Mukhang bibili lang siya ng gamot sa butika. Luging-lugi. Uy, may bumibili na. Look, look. Look, guys. Yun, alis na siya. Yay! Perfect. Easy. Meron pa lang ganyan. Bestseller namin, Sir Spanish, sea salt latte po yun. Lagi din pong binibili. Oreo cream latte po.
Large.
Large po, Oreo. 140 lang, sir. Receipt po, 1,000. Change you, sir, 860. Gawin lang po. Yes, ma'am. Fries tsaka burger na 120, no? Ano flavor na fries mo? Sour cream. Sour cream. 120 lang, ma'am. 100. Plastic pa, sir, no? Please order, sir. Thank you po. Ingat po kayo. Rice tsaka sour cream. Rice sour cream. Sir, alin po? Dalawang burger. Kunin mo yun, ma'am. Andiyan tumbler pa, ayan. Ayan na, ito, ay, dito na. Ang alin. Oo.
Para isa na.
Ayan na, pag nagluluto na tayo sa likod. Challenge lahat latte tsaka matcha presso.
Yes, ma'am.
270. Magbuhos.
Yes.
Kain tayo. Pork katsu curry. Yun guys, so that's about my day. So this is on repeat every Wednesday to Sunday. And usually 4 to 12 midnight, even more. Sometimes pag may bumibili ng late. But as you can see, medyo mababa na yung energy ko kasi gabi na yon tapos late na rin yung kain. But I bought food for us since birthday ng aking helper na si Lalay. And yeah, that's about it. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko i-vlog yung day ko, magsasalita ko, hindi. But I hope you guys like this and let me know if I should make more.